Good morning, everyone. My name is Ben. I love strange adventures. This happened last Monday. It started very badly. My alarm never rang. I woke up screaming, "Ah! I'm late again!" I jumped from bed. Everything happened too fast. I brushed one tooth, just one tooth. I washed half my face. My hair looked frightened. Even birds looked confused. I grabbed my backpack. I wore my school uniform. Then I found shoes. One shoe looked blue. One shoe looked green. I never noticed. I rushed outside quickly. Mom waved happily. She smiled proudly. "Have fun," she shouted. I smiled confidently. "Thanks, Mom." I ran to school. My feet felt strange. One shoe squeaked loudly. Squeak, squeak. The other shoe flopped. Flop, flop. People stared everywhere. I smiled nervously. Maybe nobody noticed. I reached school safely. My best friend arrived. His name was Kevin. Kevin looked confused. He rubbed his eyes. "Ben, are you okay?" "Of course," I answered. "You look unusual today." "Really?" I asked. He pointed downward. I looked carefully. My eyes became huge. My mouth stayed open. Blue shoe, green shoe. Different sizes too. One looked gigantic, one looked tiny. "Oh no," I whispered. Everyone started laughing. Kevin laughed hardest. He almost dropped everything. A girl pointed laughing. "Fashion genius!" she shouted. Another boy clapped loudly. "New school trend!" Everyone applauded jokingly. I wanted invisible powers. Sadly, nothing happened. The principal appeared suddenly. Everyone became silent. The principal looked serious. He stared carefully. Then he blinked twice. He looked again. He frowned deeply. "Young man," he said, "interesting shoe collection." I smiled weakly. "Thank you. Maybe?" The principal nodded slowly. I admire confidence. Everyone laughed again. Even teachers giggled. I felt embarrassed. Then something unbelievable happened. The principal looked down. Everyone gasped together. His shoes matched mine. One black shoe, one brown shoe. Silence filled everything. Kevin noticed first. "Sir, your shoes." The principal looked shocked. He checked immediately. "Oh dear," he whispered. Students exploded laughing. Teachers laughed too. The principal laughed hardest. "Busy morning," he admitted. Now nobody teased me. We both looked ridiculous. School suddenly felt wonderful. But the funniest part had not happened yet.